Are you making these common mistakes on YouTube? In this video, we will reveal the top 5 YouTube mistakes that you must avoid. Jumping right in, mistake number 1. Neglecting to optimize your video titles and descriptions. Did you know that optimizing your titles and descriptions with relevant keywords can significantly boost your video's visibility? Don't miss out on potential viewers by skipping this crucial step. Mistake number 2. Neglecting to create a compelling thumbnail. The first thing viewers see is your video's thumbnail, so make it stand out. A captivating and eye-catching thumbnail will grab attention and increase the chances of people clicking on your video. Moving on to mistake number 3, not engaging with your audience. Remember, YouTube is a social platform, so interact with your viewers, respond to comments, ask for feedback, and build a community around your channel. This engagement will not only make your viewers feel valued, but also increase their loyalty. Mistake number 4, ignoring analytics. To grow your channel, you must analyze your data. YouTube provides valuable insights into your videos, performance, audience demographics, and watch time. Utilize this information to fine-tune your content strategy and improve your videos. Finally, mistake number 5, inconsistent uploading. Consistency is key on YouTube. Viewers appreciate a reliable schedule, so stick to it. By consistently delivering content, you build trust with your audience and increase your chances of success. Now that you know these common YouTube mistakes, it's time to take action. Optimize your titles and descriptions, create stunning thumbnails, engage with your audience, analyze your data, and remain consistent. Avoid these pitfalls and watch your YouTube channel thrive.